I will never look at pit bulls the same way after learning this. These dogs are full of surprises. Let's dive into some cool facts about pit bulls. First up, did you know pit bulls were originally known as nanny dogs? Yep, they were trusted to watch over children because of their gentle and loyal nature. Talk about a babysitter with paws. Here's another fun fact. Pit bulls have a superpower. They can jump really high. Some can even clear a 6-foot fence in a single leap. Olympic athletes, watch out. And get this, pit bulls are total cuddle bugs. Despite their tough looks, they love snuggling up and being close to their humans. Who knew they were such big softies? So next time you see a pit bull, remember these pups are not just strong and brave, but also sweet and affectionate. Give them a chance and they'll show you just how awesome they really are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give your furry friend an extra hug today.